we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Bacacoo Industrial Leather Sewing Machine, Heavy-Duty Leather Fabrics Sewing Machine. Consists of the following features. Have you ever been troubled by the sewing difficulties of medium thickness fabrics? Do you yearn for a useful tool that can handle various sewing tasks? This sewing machine can meet your needs. Equipped with a double thread large rotating hook, with a speed of up to 3000 stitches/minute, it greatly improves production efficiency. This sewing machine is not only a practical tool, but also a magic machine for you to personally shape a better life and achieve personalized design dreams. Thread gripper. By adjusting the thread gripper, tight lines can be created, avoiding the problem of thread breakage or weak stitching. Oil check window. It can help you check the oil status and refill oil timely to ensure the smooth operation of the machine. Application. It is suitable for sewing medium thickness fabrics, such as knitted fabric, leather, and canvas in garment stores, sewing stores, workshops, homes and more. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.